Okay, now I can look down in here and I can see something. I can almost see daylight now. Ah. No, that's not the right one. That's the right one? That's right. There we go. Figure this out all by myself. I don't care what they say, I'll figure it out by myself. It's all in the ribs. And pulling back action. And a good hammer. Craftsman makes a really good hammer.
You would think it would come apart at this point, but no.
No, we don't have nothing in there.
Yeah.
It's magic. It's like a locked class. Why does the knob stay on the deal? We're going to figure this out yet, folks. Stay tuned. Here we go. Here we go. Well, pretty soon we won't need to because I'm going to tear the sucker apart now. Had about enough fun for one day and a half. What would you do if you were me?
I would throw in the trash about this point, you know.
No. See, most folks,
they give up at this point.
They would give up. Yes, they would. And no, not me, man. Not me. I'm a true blue Oregonian locksmith, and I'm telling you, it's nothing to make fun of. It's a profession. It's a real life changing, altering experience. Doing this.
It was all that training that helped bring you to this point.
Yeah, well, the guy passed away that trained me, so that kind of shows you.
I can see, yeah.
It's desperate people in desperate times. And my goodness gracious, it's not going to part yet. But it will. It'll give up. It'll give up the ghost pretty soon. If I hit it hard enough and long enough, it'll do something. Wow. This really take a long time. But not to worry.
It's good you're getting paid by the hour.
Yeah, my people are good people. And my customers
hey,
are
it's coming apart.
Again?
I think so.
What the heck was that? Oh, we don't need that. Yes.
Finally.
Now, see, it's so simple. Anybody can do it, okay? Now, this is dented in a little bit, but, you know.
Oh, that's better there, yeah.
Good as new. See?
Sure. Okay, that's it.